Hey guys, y'all seen the thumbnail and the title. We about to get a crazy, bruh, a crazy shock drop, and not even the shock drop, bro. We getting the Kobe 6 Grinch drop on the Nike SNKRS app all in one day. It's gonna be a lot of money spent on the SNKRS app today, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated. You guys know when we talk about stuff like this, shock drops, exclusive access, restocks, we all try to help the vintage squad get them retail W's, bro. Nobody like paying resale. Nobody likes when shoes are overly hyped to where it makes it damn near impossible to get the sneaker. And so in today's video, I'm gonna drop a couple of gems for you guys in order to get you in the right foot, you know what I'm saying, and get a pair of these Powerpuff Girl SB Dunks, man. At first, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I said I'm believing for y'all. But after I seen the green and the blue pair, I was like, hey, oh no, man, I might have to get those two pairs, add them to the collection. I think I can do a couple of things with them as far as styling them, man. But if you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need everybody to do is, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content like this where we helping you guys out strictly, and leave a huge thumbs up on today's video, man. It might go a long way, and it helps the channel grow, bro. We keep this content rolling. We're gonna help you guys out, and we're gonna continue to grow together, man. All right, so the news literally broke like last night, and I already dropped the video, so I'm like, you know, I'm gonna save this video for the morning of, bro. The day after the morning of the shock drop. Give you guys all the gems you need so you ain't go to sleep with information, kind of forget it. I'm gonna give you guys all the information right now, man. So today, man, today on the Nike SNKRS app, man, the Powerpuff Girl SB Dunk Lows will be shock dropping on the Nike SNKRS app. But it's with a twist, bro. It's not your normal shock drop when they, you know, the time comes up, you can just enter for the sneaker. It's not gonna be that. It's gonna be a shock drop scratch cam, bro. So whenever this shock drop does happen, which I am hearing between 12 and 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Timing, all three pairs dropping in separate times. You have to go into the image, find it, and you have to literally scratch it off with your finger in order to reveal the entire sneaker, and that's when you're gonna be able to try to purchase those SB Dunk Lows. I know you're probably like, yo, that is a lot of stuff to do with these sneakers, but I mean, they trying to mix it up. They trying to keep the excitement there as far as copping sneakers. I guess it's a shock drop, and then with it being a shock drop, I'm wondering if they're gonna do an original, like, you know, regular drop on these SBs. Not too sure, but it will be cool to see if they just drop all the pairs on this, like, you know, scratch cam, scratch picture, to drop all the pairs that way. That will be cool, but I never seen Nike do that. But today, like I said, man, between 12 and 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, they're gonna be dropping all three pairs at separate times. You have to be on the SNKRS app. You have to be on your phone, get your notifications from, I'm gonna be retweeting this, bro. I'm gonna be sharing on my story, let you guys know when to enter, because I'm hearing it is a lot more pairs than what people, you know, kind of hype them up to be. It's a lot of W's going out the last couple of days for skate shops. And I feel like Nike SNKRS app is gonna do the same thing. Seems like all year they've been kind of like making a lot of pairs, making it a little bit better for everybody to try to secure them. And right now you can find a pair like around your size, depending on what size you are, around that $250, $260 price range. And this before a huge drop like what's gonna happen today on this shock drop. So like I said, man, today on the Nike SNKRS app between 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 2 p.m. I think it's 2 p.m. Yeah. Just stay on your phone between that time frame. Make sure your SNKRS app is updated. Make sure your card information is good to go. Make sure you have everything you need: shipping address, card, CVV, all that good stuff, man. And that will better put you in a situation to, you know, secure a pair of these SBs. And that's not even talking about the Kobe 6 Grinches, which we about to talk about. And regarding the Kobe 6 Grinches, hopefully, man, hopefully today, Nike do what's right. Hopefully Nike do what's right in that, you know, crazy amount of pairs that we did here that was dropping is actually happening. Because everybody wants a pair of Kobe's at this point. Me, myself, I have no Kobe's in the collection. I have no, especially no Grinches, bro. Especially no Grinches. But me, like I said, I rock Kobe's to actually put on the court. Like, I actually play basketball in them. So if you guys do see me securing these, you're gonna see them straight on feet, straight on court, so I can get some buckets in, you feel me? But right now, I'm healing from an ankle injury. I tore a ligament in my ankle. Told you guys a little bit a couple days ago. But hopefully, man, everybody gets some W's today on the Kobe 6 Grinches, because they're talking about like some 200,000-300,000 pairs total. You know, they did the shock drop. Then they even did an EA, if I'm not mistaken. And of course, we got this drop today. And it's just a lot of stuff happening, man. You got the Powerpuff Girls. You got the Kobe 6 Grinches, reverse Grinches. You got a lot of money being spent on the Nike SNKRS app. So hopefully, bro, hopefully we get some W's, bro. Hopefully them dubs start rolling out. And you guys come back to today's video and let me know what pairs you did and were able to hit on today, man. So quick little breakdown over today's shock drop again, man. The Powerpuff Girl SB Dunk Lows will be shock dropping via a scratch picture, scratch cam, to where you can enter for a pair to win them. And it's all gonna be happening between 12 p.m. and 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That back end time is kind of shifting around, but they will be dropping all as separate times, bro. All separate times, kind of giving us a better opportunity to enter a fair shot. And I think this is probably going to eliminate some bots, because I don't think bots can scratch a picture off of a SNKRS app. But hey, you never know. It's 2023. I know these bots is just well advanced at this point, man. So you guys let me know how you feeling about today's drops, man. Kobe 6 Grinches, 3 Powerpuff Girl SBs. Just a lot happening, and I can't wait, bro. I can't wait to do a recap video, see who all got W's, who all took L's, how people's day went, and hopefully it's just a lot of pairs, bro. Nike, just oversaturate the market. Y'all been doing it with Jordan 1s. Y'all been oversaturating with Jordan 3s, 11s. Why not oversaturate, you know what I'm saying, the Nikes with these SB Powerpuff Girls and these Kobe reverse Grinches, bro? Just give everybody a dub, bro. Everybody want a W, you feel me? Just go ahead and pass some dubs out to everybody, man. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. Again, I hope everybody has a great day. It's Friday, and usually we paying all this money on Saturdays, but Nike switching it up. They say, yo, Friday, we gonna take y'all money, man. So hopefully they take at least 100 of my dollars, because I want the reverse Grinches and at least one pair of the Powerpuff Girl SB. So I'm gonna let you guys know how I do. Of course, as always, I need you guys to let me know how your day went as well. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we do drop. Leave a huge like on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are actually enjoying the content, bro. If you like content like this, we'll be talking about shock drop information, restocks, exclusive access, stuff like that. I need everybody to spam them likes, spam them comments, and show me, you know what I'm saying, y'all appreciating the content, because I appreciate you guys for actually tapping in, because you ain't have to, man. So yeah, man, all that's been said, appreciate all the support. Thanks for tapping in once again, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.